Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's glam is gonna be very easy and in depth, so make sure you watch the video till the end. I have used this Bobbi Brown base cream for a glowy base and to moisturize as well so that my makeup sits well. Then I'll be using this Smashbox primer to blur out my pores, but I have only applied it on my T-zone and near my chin. Next I'll be going in with this concealer. Take some on the back of your hand so that you have a controlled portion. Also, I got this brush in PR and I swear to God it is so amazing because of the angle and it helps to blend near the tough areas of my eyes. Then I'll be going in with some denser brush and blend it out, and I'll be going in near my smile lines as well to make it even. Next I'll be using this Makeup Forever foundation. I am obsessed. It is so lightweight. I'll take some foundation on the back of my hand. So what I usually do is I go in with my finger first because I feel that the makeup melts really well because of the warmth of our body. I don't know whether this makes sense or not, but I swear by this technique and this actually really helps. Then I go in with my brush. Next I'll be using the Huda Beauty cream contour. I don't know why, but I get scared with cream contours and I'm still struggling with this till date. So all of the products which we're gonna be applying on the face will go in the upward direction, and using angle brushes for the face. For blush, we'll be using this lipstick from Kiro with an angle brush. Again, to be honest, angle brushes are best for round face because it's very easy to blend. Now we'll just set our face with a setting powder or loose powder around the eye area to mattify it so that my concealer doesn't crease. And honestly, I don't like loose powder, but for the sake of this video I was like, Ashna, let's just give it a try. We'll be going in with this Sephora compact to make sure the tone is even, so we're just gonna put it all over our face and under the eye as well. We'll be using all the powder products. First we'll use the bronzer. Again, with an angle brush in an upward direction, we'll go in with the bronzer. So for face, always blend in an upward direction to make your face look snatched. This is my first time contouring my nose. I think I did a pretty good job, so I'm gonna make my nose slim and you can see the excitement. This is my holy grail product, again from Huda, and this is one of the best blushes out there, and it's a coral blush. Doing my eyebrows using this Benefit brow gel and just filling my brows very lightly, and I'm gonna pinch the end of my brows to make it look slim. Going in with the leftover product from the concealer brush. For this eye look, we'll be using two palettes, so I'll go in with a lighter shade than the darker one. So on a fluffy brush, removing the excess, I'm just gonna make a crease and slightly wing out. Doing the same thing on the other eye as well. Also, if you have any suggestion related to makeup, please let me know. Now with a slightly denser brush, we'll go in with a darker shade near the outer area of the eye, and we'll just blend it with the transition shade so that it does not look very patchy. We'll be going in with a white eyeshadow near the eye corner. If you don't have a white eyeshadow, just take a concealer lighter to your shade and then blend it out with whatever product that is left on your brush to make it look blended. I hope whatever content I'm posting online is up to your liking. I'm open for suggestions. Now going in with a flat blush, applying the darker shade on the bottom and blending it out and connecting it to the wing eyeliner so that it looks all put together. With a brush like this, apply some champagne shade glitter onto the eyes, only like a eyeliner. Going in with a lash curler to curl my lashes. So the trick here is to slightly tilt and then curl your lash. It makes a huge difference. Huda Beauty mascara is my current favorite product. Don't miss the inner lashes. It makes a very big difference, and this is one coat mascara and it literally gives the best lashes. Applying falsies, the individual ones from Huda Beauty, they are the best and it gives the most natural look. As you can see, forgot to apply highlighter, so I'm gonna use the same palette, the champagne one, and I'm gonna apply the cheeks and on the tip of my nose. I hope you like the tutorial and don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.